Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through how to activate the FlexStock Multivendor Add-on step by step. After installing the main FlexStock plugin, go to the FlexStock menu in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add-ons and click Get Now. You'll be redirected to the FlexStock Multivendor pricing page. From here, choose the package that suits your needs and place your order. Fill in your payment details using your preferred payment method. Then complete the checkout process. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive an email from us. This email will include the download link for the Multivendor add-on and your license key. Download the add-on and keep this key safe as you'll need it soon. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, then Add New and upload the plugin file you just downloaded. When the upload finishes, click Activate Plugin. Next, return to FlexStock, then Add-ons, and click on Settings for the Multivendor add-on. This license activation is specifically for Multivendor add-on. Here, paste the license key from your email into the activation box and click Activate. And now you can customize your add-on settings as your preference. After turning on the Multivendor sync, you will have access to a dashboard like this one. For instance, we will show the Dokan Multivendor dashboard. Like Dokan, any multivendor plugin you install will have a similar dashboard. From here, go to G Sheet Sync and connect it with your Google Sheet. Check the full tutorial above. And with that, you are ready to maximum utilize your FlexStock Multivendor add-on.